Hello everyone. Today in this session we are going to discuss today's Hindu major news. So let's go through the important news pages on Hindu. In the national news, the Hindu reported about the recent changes in the case of COVID-19, and India now has 5th highest COVID-19 fatalities in the world. In this report we can read COVID-19. India has 5th highest death toll in the world. India's death toll reached 35,800. Young children carries higher level of coronavirus. India's coronavirus case load crossed 16 lakh. Most affected states in India are Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. The positivity rate are seen in Karnataka, Bihar, Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and all these states emerges as new hotspot. Then the next section of editorial page, the Hindu reported about the National Education Policy 2020. It's announced by Ministry of Human Resource Development, and these discussions about the support from the states and National Education Policy is the first policy after an issue in 1986. The key difference of this current system and new recommendations are here, and the current system, the class 1 to 8 came under right to education. At the same time, the new recommendations focus the age 3 preschools to class 10. In the current system, Anganwadis or preschools covers age 3 to 6 age groups. At the same time, the new recommendations related to integrated primary school framework age 3 to 8. The current system focus health and nutrition in Anganwadis. At the same time, the new recommendation focus Anganwadis preschool linked to local primary school. In the current system, the formal teaching method based on the preschools. At the same time, the new policy or new policy mentioned about the play and discovery based level learning process. Here, another article in the editorial sections, we can see the Rajasthan High Court order regarding the recent political tension exists in the Rajasthan. And here we can read about anti-defection law. What is anti-defection law? It's a law came under the 10th schedule of Indian Constitution. It was enacted to address the perceived problem of instability caused by democratically elected legislature in India. Anti-defection bill passed by the Indian Parliament through 52nd Amendment Act 1985 during the tenure of Rajiv Gandhi. Here, the editorial section, we can read about National Education Policy 2020, and in this article mentioned about the 4th major policy initiative in education since independence, and National Education Policy 2020 focus preschools to doctoral studies, provides degree to vocational training. It adopts 5+3+3+4 model of school education at the age of 3, breaking stride check of art, commerce and science stream in high school. And policy also mentioned about the envisages of 100% gross enrollment ratio GER in school education by 2030. Here we can also remember about what is GER or gross enrollment ratio. It's a statistical measure used in education sector from primary education to college level education. According to this report, Sikkim has the highest GER, that is 53.9%. Chandigarh 50.6%, Karnataka highest number of colleges in India, and at the same time this report also mentioned about Bihar is the lowest GER rate, 13.6%. India enrollment ratio in the world is 26.3%. In international news area, the Hindu reported about Gandhi King initiative passes US House Committee. It's an initiative by the United States and Gandhi Martin Luther King initiative, and relating to the ideologies of Martin Luther King and Mahatma Gandhi, that is non-violence, and its initiative from United States House Committee. The bill also seeks to establish the Gandhi Luther King Global Academy. It's a resolution initiative based on principle of non-violence. Thank you for listening to this session.